This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming MUI version and making a quick backup of settings. This prevents data loss. Next, open settings and go straight to digital balance or screen time, then grant usage access when prompted so the service can monitor apps. Make sure to exempt digital balance from battery optimization and allow device admin if asked. Otherwise, background tracking will stop. Once done, you're ready to create limits and profiles because accurate monitoring is the foundation for any effective correction. Now configure limits and profiles to control usage. Set explicit daily limits for each app and category using minutes or hours, and set schedules for weekdays, weekends, and bedtime so rules change appropriately. Create profiles for work and leisure. Assign different app timers per profile to reflect realistic needs. Enable focus mode to pause distracting apps and activate content restrictions for sensitive apps. These settings work together to shape behavior, so test a short schedule first. Finish by testing your configuration for about 48 hours and adjust timers and schedules based on real usage. Small tweaks are normal. If limits don't apply, make sure usage access is still enabled, digital balance is excluded from battery optimization, and that system apps are updated. If problems persist, clear digital balance cache or reset its data, then reboot. As a last resort, reinstall Huawei system updates or contact support. One key tip: toggling usage access off and on often resolves stubborn permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.